What's up, everybody? Coming at you today on this 100-degree July Southern California day for the first time in a while, admittedly. No excuses, really, just have slowed down on taking the videos. But I think that this truck deserves a video because it's such a unique color combo and such a difficult color combo to find. This is a 2016 Ford F350 King Ranch, and it is that two-tone black and pewter color. I mean, everybody's welcome to their opinion, but I think that this is pretty much the best color combo that was ever offered on these trucks. This is a one-owner, no accident, Southern California pickup. Again, a 2016 6.7 Powerstroke diesel with 168,000 miles on it. Okay, absolutely no rust. Absolutely no leaks or mechanical issues of any kind. As always, we had the truck checked out, had it serviced. Things in really nice condition. I'll go ahead and point out the couple little blemishes that it does have on this video, as well as go through the feature functionality as always. But man, look at that like copper color with the black. It just looks so nice. So first off, we got a scuff right here on the front fender trim. Wheels are in really nice shape. They're the two-tone, that the inner part of the wheel matches the fender trim. Original black paint is in really nice shape, showing zero signs of wear or issues. There's no clear coat fading at all. There really aren't even any real scratches to note on it, or dents, other than the tailgate right here. Looks like something was dropped on it, or someone backed into something with the tailgate down. But you can't really notice unless you're super looking for it. Bumpers are in great shape. Has a B&W turnover gooseneck hitch. Truck runs awesome, looks awesome. It's just overall a very cool truck. Inside of the bed has some scratches and stains and use, you know, notice, but no major dents or anything like that. Nothing that just a spray and bed liner couldn't fix. But again, we're not in the business of hiding anything. Okay, it's got the factory King Ranch steps on it. King Ranch leather interior is in awesome condition, all original. Leather is super soft, not dried out. There's no rips in the leather. Little footwear here on the just the carpet itself, but underneath is good. Okay. Steering wheel's in nice shape as well. I'll go over that in more detail here in a minute. As you can see here, back seat's in really nice shape. Headliner's in really nice shape. There is this issue here with the carpet. It looks almost like maybe someone spilled something on it that was like caustic, maybe battery acid or some kind of cleaner that got on the carpet right here. Nothing too crazy, but worth pointing out nonetheless. Like I said, B&W gooseneck turnover ball. Everything works great. It's got heated rear seats. It's got heated and cooled front seats. Let's go check out the roof. Ugh. Paint's in great shape, even up here. even after being in the California sun its whole life. Door panels are in great shape. Everything works. This is all the paperwork of the work that I had done on the truck. Owner's manual stuff right here. Okay. Nothing too crazy on it. It didn't really need much. It had an airbag light on just from some chafed wiring. Again, this is a no accident truck. And then I went ahead and serviced the CCV, which is an item that is usually missed by most people, but it is a service item. Okay. All right, now that we're in the truck, check out the center console. Really nice shape. I mean, a little tiny bit of like wear here, but nothing major, no like real cracking. The cup holder inserts are intact except for one. Usually you see these are like totally missing. Unique to 2015, 2016, this truck's got an exhaust brake. The earlier models do not have that exhaust brake. Like I said, heated and cooled seats. All of that's functioning using the cooled seat right now because as you can see, it is very hot outside here in Southern California. Air conditioning works great, thank goodness. Steering wheel, dashboard, all that stuff, super nice condition. Let's go ahead and we'll start out with the four-wheel drive. Obviously that all functions. We can toggle through this menu here. As you can see, the truck is getting 14.5 miles to the gallon. That is actual mileage. We have put quite a few miles on this truck. Let's see. I don't really, oh, maybe it's in here. No, that's not it. I'm looking for engine hours and all that fun stuff. I don't know how to find them on this. Let's see. We'll give up on that for now because I'm not sure how to find engine hours, but you know, somebody can reply in the comments and tell me how to find it, I'm sure. Okay, so sunroof. Okay. Rear window. Okay. What else? What else? Let's do regular windows. All right. Got a little window tint on there, as you can see. Door locks. All that stuff functions as it should. Stereo works, sounds really nice. Obviously, I'm not going to hook it up to Bluetooth at this moment. Rail-tin toe brake controller works fine. You can adjust the gain on here, all that works. Built-in auxiliary switches. Got a 110 volt plug right here, 12 volt there. Center console, you just got your standard storage. Steering wheel controls. As As you can see, all those function. Tow haul. Okay. So I think that that's primarily it for the interior of the truck. Let's go ahead and pop the hood, check out the exterior, or under the hood rather, and we can pull the oil cap and do all those fun things that are gonna burn my arm in this paint. So I say this in all my videos and all my customers, I don't detail engine bays. How you see the engine bay is how it was when I bought it. I think that the buyers deserve to see exactly what a vehicle is for what it is and what it looks like. Okay. Check out those beautiful cab corners, guys. You don't get this condition outside of the West. Okay, now let's take it for a drive and hopefully get this video uploaded. As you can see, guys, runs quiet, drives quiet, is super smooth, is really great looking, very nice, untouched truck. All the emissions are intact, has never been tuned, has never been really changed in any way from its factory form. Really an awesome truck. Zero leaks, zero issues, turnkey, ready to go be used. So this truck right here, again, I'll reiterate, 2016 Ford F350 King Ranch, 168,000 miles on the 6.7 Powerstroke diesel. Okay. This truck is a clean title, clean California title, no accidents truck. We do offer financing for it if you're in California or Arizona. If you're outside of those states, I can work with you to see if I can, make your financing work. But as far as my banks, I cannot. We offer shipping all over the U.S. We ship trucks everywhere, including Hawaii. Yeah, we're happy to service a customer no matter what their needs may be. This thing I anticipate should sell pretty quick, given the rarity of the combo of the truck itself and just the overall nice condition that it is. If there are additional questions, or needs, or you want more photos, or you want more anything, I'm more than happy to FaceTime you. I'm more than happy to take whatever videos you want, take whatever photos you want. I am happy to talk to you about the truck, talk to you about your options. All good by me. The price on this truck is gonna be $32,500, okay? That does not include sales tax in the state of California, and it does not include shipping to wherever you are if you're outside of California. $32,500. If you like the truck, you watch the video, like the truck, you want to leave a deposit on the truck, our deposit's $500. Goes towards the purchase price of the vehicle. It is non-refundable, obviously, due to lost opportunity. Holds the truck for up to 2 weeks, okay? So, you know, I just had recently another guy happen to, his truck got totaled. He was waiting for his money for insurance, but he knew he wanted a truck we had. He left the deposit. We held the truck for him till he got his money from insurance, and he paid for the truck, and it's actually about to get picked up to get shipped to Massachusetts. So, like I said, we ship all over the country. This truck is super nice, ready to go to its new home. Any questions, please reach out. Thank you to everybody who checks out our videos.